In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your knowledge base articles, categories, and tags in HubSpot. We'll start right inside your HubSpot account. Head to the trial guide to quickly access the tools you need. From there, open the More menu at the top. This menu is a handy shortcut to different hubs and features. Choose Service to switch into the Service tools, where your knowledge base lives. On the Service screen, select Knowledge Base. This takes you to the central place for help articles, structure, and settings. Now click. Set up your knowledge base. That button opens the workspace where you'll define how articles are organized and how customers find answers. Before you create or move anything, take a moment to think about your structure. In HubSpot, categories are your big buckets, like billing, getting started, or product features. Articles sit inside those categories, and tags help you connect related content across categories. A clear hierarchy is what makes the knowledge base intuitive for customers and efficient for your team. When naming categories, keep them short, specific, and written in your customer's language. If a customer says invoice more often than billing statement, use the term they'd expect to click. Aim for a small, stable set of categories that reflect the main reasons people seek help. Too many categories can make navigation feel cluttered and overwhelming. As you place articles, group them by the action a user wants to take or the problem they're trying to solve. If an article could logically live in more than one place, keep it in the best fitting category and rely on tags to create crosslinks. Tags should be purposeful, not a second set of categories. Use them to connect themes like troubleshooting, account access, or a specific feature name, and keep tag names consistent to avoid duplicates. While you work, preview the knowledge base to see how your structure appears to a first-time visitor. Read category lists out loud and ask yourself if they tell a clear story. If two categories overlap, merge or rename them. If a category has only one or two articles, consider rolling them into a broader parent category. Finally, remember that organization is ongoing. As you publish new articles, assign them to the right category immediately, and add only the tags that genuinely aid discovery. Periodically review search terms and article performance to spot gaps or confusing labels, then adjust your structure where it helps users most. That's it. You've navigated to the knowledge base setup, and you're ready to organize with clarity and confidence.